Good morning, everybody. This is Thursday, uh, February 22nd, I think. Just getting up, moving. It's early. I'm an early bird. You know what they say. Early bird gets the worm. But I'm that motherfucking cat that been up waiting for the early bird to eat that bitch. Let me stop playing. But seriously, let me get that light out the back of my shit. How does this go? Nah, that ain't right. All right, let me turn this way. All right, there we go. That's a little better. So I've got that big ass light right there behind me. Sorry about that, y'all. But it's 22nd February. Um, just doing it's Thursday, so I do my weekly DCA buy-in. So the way I'm doing this is I went on KuCoin, not KuCoin. I can't use them no more. So I went on Cash App, bought $300 worth of Bitcoin. Done. I'm gonna send my Bitcoin. Wait, hold on, did I do it? No, I did not. But I just loaded $300 onto my Cash App. Now I'm going to Bitcoin. I got $305 on here, so I'm gonna spend 305 on Bitcoin. Next, 209. My little passcode in. Dun, 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 dun. Confirm it. And I just purchased 576,074 Satoshis. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to buy into this morning. um, I want to check some of the prices of my favorite projects, see what they're looking at, see who's, gone up, gone down, who's looking more braced. I do research every day, listen to news, check charts, but you know, find me try to find me a sweet spot to get in on something to make my money work for me. Um, ICP is a favorite of mine. I've been stacking them for a while now. I was thinking I might have to go on to another. I'm looking kind of for another new project to get into stacking, another maybe two or three, because my bags have been stacked and filled pretty much of the ones that are mainly my interest in. New things happen, new developments, so there's nothing wrong. I'll finish that. Coffee. It's coffee, not liquor. I don't know, but it's too early for liquor. Some of y'all might still be up. I mean, I'm just getting up. But and believe it or not, this 5:30 in the morning is sleeping in for me. Usually I'm up at 2, maybe 3 at the latest. Uh, but yeah, I be going to bed early as shit too, though. I ain't gonna even front. Me and my 6-year-old go to bed at the same time, basically. So, but like I was talking, let's see, let me pull up. I'll pull up the Coinbase. Oh, got the space heater girl blowing up for that. Let me pull that up over to there. Yeah, don't be looking in my dirty closet. That's all good. No, that's just that's our coat closet, coat room. It's all good. And let's check out these assets today. Who's ICP back up over 13. Um, like I said, that's a favorite of mine. ICP, CFX. Those are two favorites of mine that I've been going in on. Let's see, Explorer. It says home. See y'all. So, going down the link, what's available on Coinbase. We got XLM. XLM's a funny story. They got some stuff going on, I believe. But there's just something about them. Some reason they haven't flown yet. But them and they're kind of like the knockoff little brother of XRP. You know, Cardano. They're just gonna be whoa. Um, Great buy for whoever wants to get in on it. Something Cardano is stable. I don't know if I say stable because it's going to be vice volatile, but one of the big caps, one of the more sure thing fires. No, you're not going to get the 30, 40, 50, 100x gains anymore. You have to get in last round. You know, I got in on Cardano. First time I bought it, it was at like 3.5 cents. I don't think I bought any of it over 30 cents. Maybe 35 cents was the highest I bought some of it. Chainlink, they've had a recent explosion. Um, if you look at their last few months, they've had an explosion. They're sitting at like just over 4x from their low. I think they're still a good buy. I think Chainlink's going to be just absolute massive. It already is, but they are the ultimate oracle that hooks all these different blockchains together. So it's cool. Compound. I don't really know much about Compound. Some people are big on Filecoin. I'm big on Filecoin. I was just talking about it just a week or so ago. Like, Filecoin is not quite $5. Anything under 10, jump on it because this Filecoin, what it do is with all these other blockchains, it kind of lends a hand for storage, for computing power to these other things. This, I believe, is going to be one to fly. I think it's underrated, quiet. NuCypher, don't know anything about original token. Fetch AI. Yeah, I think I might have missed the boat on that one. I had Fetch AI back in the day. I sold it for like 10x, so I never got back into it. I've been tempted a few times. It's only at $1, all-time high. It's reaching its all-time highs. But the parabolic growth of AI and Fetch is. But there's rumors out there that Fetch might be bankrupt. They might not actually have any money. So that's. Yeah, I just had sorry, my bad. Shit, I was woke I forgot I was on live. I had to let my man know I was checking out AMP. I've been putting them on the AMP and telling me, AMP gonna do some things. It really ain't shit, but it pops every round. So it's down to 0.4. I told him, put in the buy order at like 0.39, drop down to 0.38. Boom, he scooped his order, shot up to 5 cents. I just had to send him a message like, I know you like that 25% pump real quick. But I got a few people at work that listen to me on this shit. I keep it real. I'm not trying to do the, make you rich in a day, make you rich. Oh, it's 1,000x, 100x. No, but if you move that decimal point every few years or so, you're gonna get where you want to go. It's just staying the course. But like I said, we talk about these cryptos back into this. Yeah. Let's see, AMP, OG, explore more assets. Let's see, ETH, Solana, BNB. B&B is going to blow. It's spectacular. Got a huge ecosystem. Just the United States don't like it. The United States like companies they can tie their hands on to better, and they don't like the way that. AVAX is banging. Tron is good. These ones all at the top, most of them have very limited growth. Um, when I say limited growth, only a 5 to 6x, 5 to 8x. It'll be tough to see 10. You're not going to see the 20 to 50s. Um, you got to move down the line for that. So, hold on. Let me see what's going on with my brother. Yeah. Over here. Shit. So, so the thing is with these, so that's why, okay, someone else watching my shit for a little bit. So, the best way to get into it, like I said, I mean, I'd say Coinbase, but a lot of people have been telling me they have trouble with Coinbase. So, if you can't get on Coinbase, you could do simple as just Cash App, buy your Bitcoin, keep it right there on Cash App. I understand people don't understand about transferring and it's difficult. It's kind of scary. Just you putting your money out there and what's going on? Did I send it to the right place? Because if I didn't, it's just gone forever. So I understand that stuff because I went through the whole thing too. You just got to make sure you copy and paste the right thing. Just take your time. But you can buy it on Cash App is the easiest thing, and then send it over to Coinbase. The whole process takes maybe 30 minutes, and your stuff's good on the other side. At the most, I've had it be quick as just like 3-4 minutes, and bam, it's done. So, and then you can put it into whatever asset you want, and you can never go wrong going into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana this year. It doesn't matter if they're up, they're down. I mean, if you want to wait till, obviously if they've been flying up and you're like, ooh, I want to wait till it come down a little bit, understandable. But who knows when they're coming back? And there are always corrections. And also remember, nothing goes in a straight line. Something just doubled in price. It's going to come down a little bit, odds are, because people just doubled their money, they taking profits. So you just gotta figure out what you can let just sit and chill, whether it's $20, $10, $100, and put it in. And just getting your shit set up is the hardest thing. Or if you can't do Coinbase, PayPal has a crypto part that I know I'm getting all over the place, but PayPal has a crypto shit where they have, I think it's Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, don't touch it. Ethereum Classic, don't touch it. Litecoin, we're going into a bull run. So Litecoin and bull runs tends to perform pretty well. But once the bull run's over, it's total garbage again. So Litecoin's one of those things you just want to scoop up, hold till it flies up, get rid of it. It doesn't have any long intrinsic value at this point, but it may in the future. Just the fact that it's not on the same level as Bitcoin, but it's on the Bitcoin protocol, I guess you could say, because it is a fork off of Bitcoin. As far as limited supply, kind of how you mine it and stuff like that. So Litecoin does that. So it might get some institutional hey, what's up? Because the SEC says, okay, we're not fucking with Litecoin. So they might, yeah, it might get a little bit of that. Like, you know, Bitcoin be gold, Litecoin be like copper or aluminum. Pretty much. you know, so that's on that. I don't know what to do for any topics coming up. But that's the key is just setting these things up and like when you set up on Coinbase, they got videos and little questions things you can get a little free crypto here and there. um, come from outside the United States or I don't know certain states in the United States if you can. Coin Exchange, KuCoin, um, especially Coin Exchange, do little airdrops, only a couple dollars a piece, but it can put things on your radar and your map, help you find stuff. They do, there's all kinds of free giveaways, not so much on Coinbase, but some of these foreign exchanges have giveaways where they're constantly giving away. And a lot of times it's only a couple of dollars, but it's the exposure to new stuff that you get. And I don't know. I'm about to make me some more coffee, so this probably gonna be blank for a minute. And shit. Who got any questions? There ain't nobody in the chat. But, I don't know. Hopefully someone come up with a question. All right, I'm gonna go get my coffee. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. All right, so now I need to get on my thing. I'm about to post me. See if I can get some people up here. Dun, 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 dun. Me. Damn, I'm so horrible. I don't even know how to do this. Okay, so we got this here. Okay, hold on. Hold on. No, I need to try to do something. Share, copy link. Alright, so if I go here. Yo, this computer stuff trying to figure out how to do things. I'm too old. I don't like it. Alright, now hold on, I gotta go here. So we gotta go pictures. Oh. Here. Okay. Oh damn, I don't even think anybody in here watching. Oh, wait, it says one person. Is it me? Am I the one person in the room? I think so. All right. Let's see. So let me get this over to, what are we doing? Oh, yeah, I got to post my. From my photo library. Done. Okay, hopefully, some people joined in. So, all right, let's get off of here. We don't need to be on that. Oh, it's you. Okay. Well, hey Ash, what's good? Anyways, shit. Yeah, I posted hoping get a few people in here to watch. So let's see, what did I do? I think I just bought, what was it, 300 on Cash App, right? I got 300 on Cash App, I do believe. Yep. So where I want to send this is, I want to send it back over to ICP. So I want to open up my Coinbase. And I want to click on Bitcoin BTC. And I'll click on, there's about halfway down your screen, there'll be a row of blue circles. Say buy, sell, convert, send, receive. You want to hit receive because you want to receive your Bitcoin in there. And then there'll be a QR code. And it'll look like this. And right there's your address. So yeah, anybody want to copy that address and send Bitcoin there, that's cool. That's my address. That's sending me Bitcoin. I'm not asking you to, but if you want to. But yeah, so the little box over here, you just click the little one to copy it. Copy your Bitcoin address. It's copied. You go back over to Coinbase. You go back over to Cash App. As you see, that's just what I bought. I spent $300, so I got $299.89 worth of Bitcoin for my $300 because it's there's a transaction fee. It's not much. So what you do is the little arrow right here. You press. Whoops, hold on. You press the arrow. Boom. And then you hit send Bitcoin. Yeah, right here. You put in, it tells you how many sats you got, and that's how many stats you're sending. I'm sending everything, so 578,624 sats. Hit send. Up at the top, say 2. When you press that, you want to paste what you just had there, and then when you hit paste, it'll come up like this. And it'll say Bitcoin wallet address. You want to click that address and hit next. And then I always do it in priority. It's going to cost me $3.44. It tells you what the fees are. If you don't care, you can take up to 24 hours. And then you can do it for free. You can do the rush where it's up to 2 hours. It's a $2 fee. So it's up to you. Hit next, and it'll say insufficient Bitcoin balance. Don't worry. It's just saying you're trying to send all your Bitcoin. You're trying to send all your Bitcoin. We got to take out the fee out of your transaction. So it's only going to be $295.34 worth of Bitcoin. And then you just hit confirm and send. That they can take the fee out of what you're sending. You put in your passcode, and voila, you've initiated your withdrawal. You do it that way, it takes up to 10 minutes. And then I'm just chilling. So we got stuff going on there. Let's see what's good. Let's go in here. So I'm just sending it here. I want it back in ICP. I might go with some Filecoin, but Filecoin just had. So I'm going to look at Filecoin chart. I wish I knew how to screen share and do stuff on here so I can show you exactly what I'm trying to look at. So I know Filecoin is something I've been talking about, wanting to get into. It did just recently have a rally. I'm expecting it to come back down to the 680 mark, which is a 10% drop, and a 10% drop gives you a lot more. So maybe not 680, maybe just down to the $7. Let me put my line on it. We got the hour. I want the daily chart. Yeah, I'm expecting this to come. And actually, probably like the 640. Yeah, 640. It could even drop back down to the $5 range. So I don't think I'm doing anything. I really want some ICP. Let's see what ICP looking like. Because see, the daily chart on ICP is not really looking that good. But it's early. So 4 hours looking. Maybe, because if you take this, that's a good support band right there. This actually isn't looking like a bad time to rotate into some more ICP. Yeah, so I'm trying to get my ICP bag up to 1,000. So I'm only sitting at about 140 of them right now. So I can buy 20. I can buy 20 for 260 plus 2.5 more. So I can buy 22.5. Because if you're looking at this, daily, this 4-hour chart, we're looking at a good bounce off of this. A bounce, hold, bounce, hold. And if we mark it down to the daily, okay, here we go. My Bitcoin just arrived. So I'm going to go back in my Coinbase. So Coinbase, I'm going to my assets. I'm gonna scroll on down. I'm gonna go to my Bitcoin, which I just received, and that little row circles, the convert is in the middle. The blue circles, you hit convert from Bitcoin. I want to put it over to ICP. I'm going to convert all, and it'll tell you, it tells you right here the conversion rate, how much you're going to get, how much the fee is. See, I'm Coinbase Pro, the special, So we pay $30 a month. Y'all don't need that. I mean, unless y'all gonna be spending a lot of money. If y'all putting in a lot of money, it's worth it to get. But if you're really only doing like the $25 a week or this or that, don't worry about it. It's not worth the $30 a month to do it. But if you move it a lot, then yeah, it's worth it. It's good. And so I'm gonna place my order. So I get, like I said, 22 and a half. And I'm done. My Coinbase, my ICP is now available. All right. And it was just that easy to buy when I wanted to get. Now, so I just wanted to show y'all how quick and easy it is to walk through and buy what you want to get. If you just, doing basic, the easy way, like I'm telling you. And that's really all you need to do. Because to tell you the truth, I did do a lot of trading. I made a couple amazing trades, but for the most part, trading is a whole lot of, like the day trading stuff with leverage and stuff like that. It's a whole lot of work, and you lose a whole lot of money. I got lucky with a couple of big trades, but for the most part, you nickel and dime yourself down a lot. So, not saying that YouTubers out there aren't making a lot of money doing it, but be careful listening to them and doing what they do, because if they really just tell you how easy it is and blah 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 blah, don't listen. Tell you not to do it. It's only for experienced traders. It's true. Because like I said, here you only lose money if you buy and hold. You only lose money if you sell it at a loss. You just hold it till it goes up. If it's a quality project, it's going to go up, especially with this bull run coming up. So you don't really have to worry about it. Like if you invest in a project that actually does something, layer ones, anything that I mentioned, I mean, like I said, it could go to zero. Any company can go bankrupt, but the odds are, they're a multi-billion-dollar company. They've been around for 4, 5, 6 years. They're doing well. They got things going on. Odds are, in a bull market, they're not going to disappear. You might want to sell out of them at the end of the bull market, but and that's the other thing. You don't have to worry about trying to get the top, because people are like, oh, I bought Bitcoin at 15,000. Most people are lying if you hear that. I mean, some people did. I bought some at like 18 something, bounced off of 15. I happened to be up, and I was like, yep. I bought a bunch. I mean, I didn't buy a bunch of Bitcoins, but I spent a bunch of money on Bitcoin. I did it all in. All my loose capital at that point, I just dumped in right then. And there have been other spots that I've bought some, but it's never bad advice, especially going into the halving, to keep money in Bitcoin. It might drop. We might have a quick dump, like we have in previous cycles before the actual halving happens. But odds are if we do, it's not going to be like one of those 20s back down to, what was it, 3? You know what I'm saying? 6,000, whatever. It's not going to be some, oh my God, it just dropped 75% again, or 60%, or 50%. Like, all right, you might see a drastic drop, like 42. It's not, it's not going anywhere. It's pretty much just only going up for a while. And the only question is how fast and how high. Um, Ethereum is another one that it's been flying lately, but again, it's bad advice to say, oh, buy it even now, even after it's been flying. But is it really going to turn around very much? And it's one of those things that's been it's doing its thing. So much of the DeFi space is run off of it, and it's just it's the name, it's the brand name in Web3 and dApps and stuff. So that's what that is. Solana's the new kid on the block, up and coming. I've been preaching about Solana since the summertime when it was down in the sub 20s, below 20, even up into the 20s. I still think it's quality to go on. Let's see what it's doing this morning. I know a lot of things are up this morning after a rough day yesterday. Let's see what Solana doing. Oh, Solana's up 2%, up to 106. Seem to have found footing. Let's do the daily chart. Where's the 4-hour chart? Yeah. So here's a 4-hour chart. See, a lot of these charts you see, they'll show you like 15-minute charts to scare you, like it's dive bombing. But if you zoom out, oh, it only went down 0.5%. It only went down 1-2%. It only, like, it didn't really do anything. So just to show you an example, this chart goes from January 25th through today. No. Actually, no. Let me show you something first. I'm going to show you the 30-minute chart, how it pops up when you see it. It starts here, down, right? Like, what the hell is this doing? Okay. But when you switch it over to the 4-hour chart, this is how it pops up. It starts down here. Oh, this is what it's doing. It's just going up. You know what I'm saying? You see, this is the way markets move. It shoots up. The shoot up might be more than that, less than that. And then it, has a little come down, and then it'll shoot up, and then it has a little come down. Because when it shoots up, your traders are taking their profits. People that aren't just buying whole joints take their profit, and that selling allows the price to come down. Instead of selling when the price come down like that, when the price come down like that, that's when you put more money in on a project that you're bullish and want more money on. And not when it's shooting up, like, oh yeah. I mean, if you're just trying to put some money in and take it right back out, and you want to make, $8 on your 100, 8% or something like that, 10% or something like that, then all right, you can do that when it's like shooting up. But if you actually hold and trying to build something, when it shoots up, okay, cool. When it come back down, put money on it. Um, like just remember. So if something goes from $1 to $4, you just turn $100 into 400, right? So when something goes from $1 to 50 cents, you lost 50% of your value. You didn't lose, but the value went down 50%. Now, if you put in another $100 at 50 cents. So you had 100. Now you put in $200. But when you put that other $100 in at 50 cents, instead of getting 100, you got 200 of them. So you got 300 of them for 200. So your buying price is 75 cents a pop. 66 cents, sorry. 66, might as well say 67 cents. Your buying price is 67 cents. So when that comes back up from 50 cents, at 67 cents, you're in profit. Yeah. When it gets back up to $1, you don't make 50% of your money. You don't make 50%. So that 200 is 300 when it gets back up to $1. So when things fall back a little bit like that, it's not, oh no, because you don't actually lose money. This is the important part of investing that a lot of people don't get and understand. If you buy 10 Bitcoin for $1 a piece, so that's $10. And the price of Bitcoin goes down to 50 cents. How much money did you lose? A lot of people are thinking, oh, you lost $5 because the cost went down 50 cents. But only if you sell them for $5 did you lose $5. Because you had 10 Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin went down. You still have 10 Bitcoin. So you don't lose money when the price goes down. You only lose money when you sell it when the price goes down, because you still have what you have. And if you actually believe in what you're buying, understand everything goes down. Gold goes down, has dips. The US dollar has dips. Tesla crashes, Facebook dips, Apple dips. I mean, the price of oil dips. There's nothing that only goes up, except for the cost of living. But anyways, but seriously, that's a big thing you got to understand. When price goes down, buy it. Especially right now, going into this bull market with everything going on. When price goes down, you get that 10, goes down 10%, put a little money in. Dips a little 20 more percent, put even more money in. Like don't just, there are certain points you just go all in, but for the most part, don't just go all in at a spot with all your money. Never do that. But just put little bits and pieces in. If all your stuff's been going up making money, don't buy anything. Just leave it sitting in Bitcoin, or leave it sitting in dollars ready to buy, because if it's been going up, it's going to come down. And every time everything shoots up, when it comes down, there's always opportunity. It might not be in what you're already invested in. It might be in something different. But yeah, it's just, you gotta understand what works for you, and just only do the money that you can afford to just lose. I'm not gonna say lose, but you can afford to not touch, I should say. But yeah, so just remember, stay smart, stay profitable, stay positive, be a good person. And remember, good things will happen. Just use your brain, follow a plan.